Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my video. I hope you are fine today. Today, I will share a simple story about my big family. This story is very easy to understand. It will help you learn English. So, listen carefully and try to speak with me. Now, let's begin. I live in a small village. My village is beautiful and peaceful. There are green fields, tall trees, and a clean river. The air is fresh. The birds sing in the morning. I love my village very much. I live in a big family. We are more than 10 members in my family. Yes, my family is big, but we live together happily. We love and respect each other. At the head of my family is my grandfather. He is a very wise man. He is the guide of our family. Everyone listens to him. He always speaks softly. He teaches us good manners. He tells us to be honest. Sometimes he tells us about life. He tells us to help others. Because of him, our family is peaceful. My grandmother also lives with us. She is very kind and loving. She wakes up early every morning. She cooks food with love. Sometimes she cooks delicious meals. Her smile makes our heart warm. She tells us old stories at night. I love listening to her stories. Her stories teach us values and life lessons. My grandmother brings peace to our home. My father is a hard-working man. He works every day to support our family. Some days he works in the field, and some days he goes to town for business. He never complains. He teaches me to work hard. He always teaches me to stay strong and never give up. He says life becomes beautiful when we try our best. My mother is very gentle and caring. She manages the home with patience. She cares for everyone. She helps my grandmother in cooking. She helps my younger brothers and sisters in study. She always has a smile on her face. Her love is like a blessing to us. I have uncles and aunts in my family. They also live with us. They are very helpful and friendly. My uncles work in the fields or do business. My aunts cook food, clean the house, and take care of children. Sometimes they also teach us good manners and discipline. They always make sure our home stays neat and peaceful. Together, they all work to make our family strong. I have many cousins too. We play together, we study together, we share toys and books. Sometimes we fight, but we say sorry and become friends again. We learn how to understand each other's feelings. We learn how to share happiness and moments. We love each other like real brothers and sisters. Even though our family is big, we never feel unhappy. We eat together, we talk together, we celebrate festivals together. We respect each other's feelings. We support each other in every problem. Whenever someone is sad, the whole family tries to make them smile. We face every challenge by standing together. At night, we sit together in the courtyard. We talk about our day. We laugh and smile. Sometimes my grandfather gives advice. Sometimes my grandmother shares stories. Those moments are very special for us. The cool evening breeze makes the time even more peaceful. The sky is full of stars, and everything feels calm. On festivals, our house becomes full of joy. We clean the house. We decorate the home. We cook many delicious foods. Relatives come to visit us. Children play. Adults talk and smile. The house becomes full of happiness. The smell of tasty food spreads everywhere. Everyone dresses in new clothes and takes pictures together. My grandfather always says, "A big family is a big blessing." And it is true. In a big family, we learn patience. We learn teamwork. We learn love. We learn how to share. We learn how to care. We grow up with strong values and good habits. Some people think a big family is difficult. Yes, sometimes it is not easy. There are many opinions. There are many needs. But when there is love, everything becomes easy. And in my family, there is love. That is why we are happy. We choose understanding over arguments. We choose kindness over anger. I feel proud of my family. I feel lucky to have such loving people around me. They support my dreams. They encourage me to study. They inspire me to become a good person. They always remind me to stay humble. They teach me to respect everyone. My family is my strength. My family is my heart. Thank you so much for listening to my story today. I truly hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helped you learn some simple and useful English sentences. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Your support really encourages me to make more helpful lessons for you. When you like or comment, it also helps others find this video and learn too. I upload new lessons regularly, so stay connected with me and keep improving your English step by step. Remember, my friend, learning a language takes time. But if you practice a little every day, your English will become more natural and more confident. So keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. I am always here to support your journey. Thank you once again for being with me today. See you again in the next video. Take care, stay happy, and keep learning. Have a wonderful day.